If you ever want to write professional emails faster inside Gmail or reply to messages without staring at a blank screen, this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write and reply to emails in Gmail using Grammarly AI, step by step. This is a simple workflow that can help you sound more polished, save time, and generate better email drafts in just a few clicks. So if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Gmail and click Compose just like you normally would when starting a new email. Once the Compose window opens, look inside the text area and you'll see the Grammarly logo. This is usually a green or gray floating circle depending on your setup and account status. Click that Grammarly logo to activate the writing tools inside your email draft. After that, look to the bottom right corner of the Compose box and find the Lightbulb icon. This lightbulb represents Grammarly's generative AI feature. Click it, and Grammarly will open a set of AI-powered writing options that can help you create a new email or generate a reply based on your message. Now here's the key part. If you want to write a new email, you can use a prompt like, write a formal request for XYZ. Grammarly will use that instruction to create a professional draft that you can edit before sending. If you want to reply to an email, you can use a prompt like, reply to a formal request for XYZ. That tells Grammarly to generate a response in the right tone and format for the conversation. This is especially useful when you need to reply quickly but still want your message to sound clear and professional. Instead of typing everything from scratch, you can let Grammarly create the first draft, then review it, adjust the wording if needed, and send it once you're happy with it. If the draft is too formal, too short, or not quite what you wanted, you can simply refine the prompt and try again. For example, you can make the message more polite, more concise, or more detailed depending on the situation. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result usually is. Once Grammarly generates your email, read it carefully before sending. Even though AI can save a lot of time, it's always smart to check names, dates, links, and any important details. That way, your email stays accurate and professional. And that's all it takes. To write or reply to emails in Gmail using Grammarly AI, just open Compose, click the Grammarly logo, use the lightbulb icon in the bottom right, and enter your prompt for either a new message or a reply. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make email writing much easier. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.